Yeah, you know, you could either get out of the way or you can embrace it. Set your orders. Okay, let's see what's going on. Cytokinetics reports. What's the revenue? What the fuck is the revenue? Oh, that's not good. That's not much revenue. I short that shit. I don't know what consensus was, but okay, consensus is pretty low. Replimune approved. Replimune halted, I'm guessing. That'd be halted. That's the halt trading with important news. It's not halted. Was it expected? Is that good news? Am I stupid? Why don't I buy the shit out of this? It's going down. Never mind. Everyone assumed it would get approval. I mean, the AdCom was good, right? Why would it go up? Scabies and scabs and worms. Yeah.
Lovely worm.
It sucks, I know. No, it's not lovely. It's actually very annoying. But if you see any crawling around, Airbnb is out.
That's relevant. So
it's bigger, but it's not. It's a big company. Yeah, so I'd say just wash your hands if you touch the same stuff as me. I would do a little wash, a little alcohol. We should get one of those alcohol things. I have too many at home. I don't have any here. Split all you like. You want? Screenshot them.
I have a little 4K.
Oh, is that a different number from this? You know, same number. Man, that's pretty sick. 2 days.
Yeah.
The problem is the negative days.
Yeah.
Of which there will be some. But, you know, going home flat is an interesting strategy. You're going to want at some point to take overnight risk too.
Yeah.
And then the better thing to do is to like understand your companies and don't stare at the tape. Like do your research, pick your, you know, pick the investments you want to make, and that's that. Try to figure out what kind of time duration you want to be involved in. So many earnings. Atlassian's up. All the SaaS stocks are up. Good quarters. All right, time to get drunk. Then the 5 racks. Yeah, I bought some Grapple and tried to sell it right away. I'm looking to be stuck on a little bit here. Not much. Almost nothing. Oh no, IonQ. You may be getting sued over the Skywater. No, Skywater closed, right? Look at this guy. The trade desk blows up every quarter, right? Yeah, we're working on an earnings calendar. Don't worry. Okay, I gotta use the bathroom. Be right back. Yeah, sorry about that. I thought I was unmuted. Yeah, don't come here if you haven't read and try to have an argument about computing. If you haven't read 𝗔𝗔𝗍, you haven't read CLRS, you haven't even read Turing's papers, you have no idea what a finite state machine is or any basics about complexity or computing, don't come here and try to have an argument about computing. I don't do that to you. Whatever you're an expert in, sanitation, I don't tell you how to throw out the trash. You know you're an expert. I'll let you do that. Don't come here and try to become an expert in computing all of a sudden. But you didn't know classical computing even computed in zeros and ones, did you? You know what bubble sort is? Do you have to look that up? You know what merge sort is? Or you gotta look that up? Don't Google it. Don't Google it. Oh, this is that drunk guy that I did the 𝗏GPT with, and he still didn't understand it. I told him what's a better card sorter, quantum or a digital electronic normal desktop computer, and he said quantum. Where did they find these guys? I don't know. I'm glad they exist. That's all I can say. There'd be no future for guys like me if they didn't exist. So keep on studying quantum, pal. You got this. You're so close. Need bag holders. Yeah. Point is, you know, the first thing you learn in algorithms is the sorting algorithms. Each one has its own advantages. It's usually about as far as people get. I don't know, the open weights, closed weights thing. I mean, part of it is harness for sure too, right? Part of it is, can you train on certain kinds of data? IBM stock is in there in case you haven't noticed. Quantum, the answer is, as I've mentioned 100 times, quantum is a tremendous science project. It's probably more interesting than many other fields. As you may know, I'm working on a photonic computing project. But quantum computing is very special. To be able to compute with quantum state is impressive. But is it useful? That's another question. And the last thing I'll say is there's a million quantum companies. There's PsiQuantum, there's Quantinium, there's more private ones than public ones that are more attractive. There's Google's effort, as you mentioned. There's IBM's effort. And then you have the rinky-dink public companies like D-Wave, IonQ, and Rigetti, and they're all trash. Companies like Microsoft want to do quantum computer just because it's an achievement. It's a huge achievement. Same reason Bell Labs did the transistor. They never made transistors. You know, they made C++. Nobody ever made money on C++. They made the Kelly criterion. They made so many things. But, you know, doing science for science's work and then talking about a huge commercial opportunity. Google doesn't say quantum's a big commercial opportunity. In fact, I know the people there and they're explicitly clear that there's no commercial. I keep saying Schrodinger because you think that you understand what that is, but you don't. I'm a patent award-winning chemist. I know a lot about chemistry. I know a lot about computing. My wife and I talk about this a lot. She knows a lot about computing. You're just out of your element. It's okay. It's just not what you're good at. You're good at something else, whatever your day job is. I'm not saying stick to that. What I'm saying is don't confuse familiarity with expertise. To understand quantum computing well, you need a really broad background. Now, I'm not even saying I understand it that well, but you definitely don't. You can't even spell your. Well, I'll be in the Discord if you want to chat. It didn't go so great for you last time either. Remember when you thought that a regular computer could beat a quantum computer at card sorting? Or multiplication? Make me embarrass you again. Waste my time. Some of you guys find it entertaining when I embarrass some dolt, some dotard, some fool. But it's not entertaining to me. It's too easy. Read a book. Read Mike and Ike. You can't get through 10 pages of Mike and Ike. Person that understands these complicated things. There's no special credit you get if you follow this stuff. It's not like some people don't understand AI. I don't know. Does my wife understand it? Didn't my wife come to the Discord? No, there's a specific thing called an optimization problem, like 𝗍𝗂. That's not what you're thinking of. You're confusing everything. And I think it's late where you live. And I honestly think you might have a drinking problem. No, I don't think the placebo arm got lucky. Inotropes extend 6-minute walk. Do they not? It's not what they're known to do. Not well known, but they are known to do that. Make patients feel better, I mean. Oh no, I dropped my queen. What the odds he misses it? Blind spot? Fucking debating with this idiot. What are you saying? Most studies show placebo flat to slightly positive on DMD? Yeah, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what placebo does. It's the delta. Inotropes extend 6-minute walk, right? Any study of inotrope that's been done with 6-minute walk shows it extends 6-minute walk. Downside is it kills you, which is not a great feature of medicine. Death is not something most people want out of their drug. I don't play against provisional ratings. I don't play casual. Yeah, there are 5% improvements in compute efficiency all the time, actually. There's a couple that have been released 2x, 3x improvements in the last week. Yeah, so milrinone, aka kilrinone, it works. So for 6-minute walks. So this study is a chance it can meet its primary endpoint. Just doesn't mean it's a good drug. Maybe so. They might have a mortality imbalance as well, or syncope or whatever. I mean, hey, still stream.
You gotta update shop and piano.
Oh, you changed? Chat's awfully quiet. It's awfully quiet. Chat was hating yesterday. Now you gotta get that NVIDIA green. If I had to start from scratch, I would be Mamdani. Straight grift. Talking about communism. Got too much inventory. Data hedge. Did it. Data hedge. I wanted to. I don't like 20, boho. Boohoo. I'm old enough to be his dad. You got a problem? I don't really go out much in New York or in any other place for that matter. Let's see. You like Datadog? I saw the huge dump. Oh, it's recovering. I don't know. People don't like software anymore, man. I'd almost take the other side. We are hiring interns, but you have to be in New York. Don't ever worry about another man's money. It's none of your business. Just do you. Should really, for real, you shouldn't even worry about your own net worth. You should worry about your objectives, your goals, how to get closer to them. Why Andrew Tate right now? What you need to do is be like water. If you're like water, then they can't get you. Like they got me. Water. Think about that. Remember that. It's water. It's Warren Buffett here. Listen, here at Berkshire, we try to find stocks that are trading below their fair value. What's fair value? I don't know. I know it when I see it. Charlie used to say fair value is whatever Warren wants to pay. A good value is whatever I want to pay. Yeah, I was going to look at Unity. What's the story? We're going to do a company-wide meeting at noon. You're welcome to come. We'll stay here and trade. I don't really care.
Oh, welcome.
Yeah, sometimes it's good to have a little rapport with the other one. The others. I do think SanDisk is going to 700 as well.
1,700?
700.
Oh, fuck off.
There's this situation. Flash isn't that hard to make. Kind of a management team too.
So that's things I want to know. Is how do you know it's hard to make? Like, it's like they're not going to say that on their report.
No, of course not. Ask ChatGPT. Just see, is it harder to make than DRAM? And learn how do you make it? Learn who helps make who makes the equipment. Of course, there's such thing as overtrading.
Such thing as what trading?
So overtrading.
Yeah.
When you have an edge, nothing less, nothing more. Wider spreads, less fills. Paper trading. I've never paper traded in my life. Paper trading. Jeez. Yeah, if you accumulate too much long inventory, you're long the market, so you want to short the market in response, you know? Want too much market risk. Same thing if you're short the market. Because you'll get lifted if the market's dumping, all your bids will get hit. It's Lilly really volatile. Made too tight.
Which one?
Eli Lilly. It's a drug company, but the earnings came out today, so that was just like very volatile. Okay, I'm out of everything. Spinning wheels a little, but that's right. You're nothing changed.
No.
Nice.
Oh, no,
You still haven't traded the other guys, huh? Scared?
the other ones are just so unpredictable.
You think Intel's predictable?
I've been able like that.
Yeah, okay. So
What I like about Intel, like bounces within like 80 cents, but like SanDisk will just like $20 or go down 40, go up 10, go up.
you trade it with less size. So the swing will go in your favor too, you know. And I'm telling you, I would lean more on the short side of SanDisk. If you short SanDisk long Intel, you got a pretty good pair trade. Where they make a lot of money. Probably time to go over there.
Be easy. I mean, a lot of people would want to.
Yeah, it'd be fun. One of you guys has a problem with me? Is that what's going on? Any earnings tonight? Keith is his name, not intern. Let me change them. Live Keith, you know.
Keith. Reporting today is any of these companies relevant? Nova, LTD, Onto Innovation, Backup Technology.
I think so. All right. Here's the lock mode. Keiths are solid dudes. Never known a bad one. Yes, Google. I own Google still. I actually bought more. Intern got promoted to Keith. Yes. So he's been Keith. Keith is a legend. Long live King Keith. Okay.
Why is it so nice? We're all so nice now. What happened?
So why are you all so nice? You on his head a couple hours ago. Now you're like, oh, maybe I can get those trades. Let me get them no ticks. How do I buy into Keith's fund? Chief Keith. No, we have Goodell brokerage prototype already. It's different. This is not a sim. Sim? Are you nuts? You can sit here all day doing a simulation. Loving these spreads. Definitely getting rebates. Trade without rebates. Yeah, I'm in the Google trade. It's wonderful. Lily just me around. You were short, now you're long. Man, you're whipping it. Probably we'll do a little 10x research, yeah. Close it. You can check your open orders. Click open. You don't have any intel.
I do have 400.
No, scroll down. Open orders. You don't have any intel open orders, right? Scroll down. Just a little bit. Just a tiny bit here. Yeah, scroll down. Use your wheel. That's it. Okay, there's no intel there, so just sell it.
Yeah, what is sell?
Go ahead.
Something
Make sure you sell the right amount. So that's how you go.
Yeah. Oopsies.
Whoopsies. Whoopsies.
It's not a very good word. I'll show you.
Whoopsies. This man said whoopsies. Are you up on NVIDIA yet?
No.
What's wrong? Why are you allergic to every stock other than Intel?
It's worked so far.
Can't be scared. Customer comes to you and says, I want to buy 1,000 shares of SanDisk. You're going to say, oh, I'm scared. I can't sell you that. Who say, what'd you say? Say,
I'll say whoopsies.
1,300, take it or leave it. Is that a good deal for you? Yes, it's at 1,290. You can sell it at 1,300, you make free money, right? Because then you go buy it at 1,290, right? There has to be a price you're willing to sell SanDisk.
Oh, sure.
Short Intel?
Yeah.
How?
It's going way too.
Didn't you just, you want a short?
Yeah. It's
Go.
going way too high.
All right, go. Let Keith cook. Okay. How about no? How about actually I'm the boss? So no, I'm just playing. But Keith is cooking. He's up 3K today. I get that right? Yeah, that's cooking. His first 2 trading days, he's profitable as well. 2 out of 2. Ain't bad. Maker, taker. Ooh, you know Baker is.
Well,
Baker?
Oh.
Ask Hunter.
some unks.
Some unk. He could be a trading savant. You never know. No. Beast mode. He is short Intel right now. He's short 800 shares of Intel. You happy? Just put his trades on the screen. That's his trade.
800 at 1079. 179.
100.79. 73. 79?
79 and then.
Yeah, 79. You got filled again?
Oh.
Yes. You're short 800. 7.3, because it's average of 7.9 and 6.7. Clavicular. Ask intern if he's a fan of Hassan Piker, Destiny, or Clavicular. It's the clav. Maybe it's actually Barrett. You think shorting is bad, CoinTails? You don't like shorts? You're in the wrong place. Okay. Why am I getting a 500? Oh, tickers such as APL. Makes sense. I was going back up, he says.
Yeah.
Sell.
What?
Sell? You mean cover? First of all, you don't tell Keith what to do. Keith is up, not you. Keith is up. Wish you had Keith's performance. Airbnb and Cloudflare tonight. Keith, is it big or not? Just tell me.
It's a great question. No, it's not.
Not very big.
Need a vacuum cleaner sometime. Just pull it out. The red market closed, but it starts moving fast, right?
Yeah, 3:30. Yep. Oh, now you got filled. Ooh.
Did another one.
Another one.
Another one.
No NVIDIA. You're up 3 bands now. 5 bands over 2 days.
I don't like it because it's free. It's my analytical reasons.
You know, you're on track for 600K a year.
Big losses.
I doubt that. The way you trade, you protect your losses. You should trade larger, actually. But regardless,
Getting more comfortable.
part of your job is to trade NVIDIA. So you should trade it. Not be afraid. Just feel it out. Just trade small to start. Who's trading?
So it's like
Trade 10 shares.
it's like 30% of the speed of like Intel the way it moves.
Okay. So you should trade bigger than it.
Yes. Just I like Intel because it's just the right speed. SanDisk is just retarded.
Listen, man.
Intel slow.
Just trade 10 shares. Just trade 10 shares. Make me happy.
Okay.
You can make a spread around it. You don't have to be a cowboy. Sometimes you have to be uncomfortable, you know? Sometimes you have to do things that make you uncomfortable. Like
Sounds like yes.
when I was a kid, my mom used to dress me up as a ballerina. And it was uncomfortable.
It's not a relatable story.
Yeah, no, I understand it's not relatable, but I had to do it, and it kind of me up. So I dressed up as a ballerina, had a little tutu I used to do, and I did it because my mom wanted me to.
That's the Lord.
Yeah, and I'm better. You know, it got me to appreciate ballet. Got me in touch with my feminine side.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna make my son do it too. It makes him more of a man, not less. TMI. I work for free. I'll get coffees for you and Keith. I'm joking about the ballerina thing, guys. Although our school made us do ballet at elementary school.
What was happening in Illinois?
We had a ballet class.
No.
They sold it as, well, football players do it, which
I don't know about that.
maybe they do. I don't know.
Probably Ronaldo.
Oh.
So child like Messi or Ronaldo?
Chat, Messi or Ronaldo?
I say Messi.
Messi, Ronaldo. Soccer is adult WWE. Oh, adult WWE is adult WWE. Can you do a poll? This is price. Learn a lot. Chillin'?
Just waiting to get back in. Lost on NVIDIA.
Just think about Jensen and GPUs, man. That's the most important thing happening right now. It is probably long, is my guess.
That's what I did. Well, if I held over, but I didn't.
What they say, scare money don't make no money. Who says that? Don't say it. Don't say it. He was about to say it, y'all. Say that word, you could just say, they were in Paris. You know that song?
Parisians?
You speak French?
No, I'm French.
What?
I was born in France.
But do you speak it?
Yes.
Je suis très heureuse.
Très what?
Heureuse.
Heureuse? Happy?
Yes.
Heureuse with the E at the end like that.
Feminine.
So,
Le garçon.
the day's wrapping up on stupid trades.
Whoa, what? Logic made plenty of money today. Not that that matters. Neither matters. Just be consistent.
Yeah. I want to make either a little profit, more, or take a little bit of a loss.
I think you just be consistent. Doesn't matter what time it is. Doesn't matter what you're trading. You know, don't let it throw off your game. It's my 2 cents. Not that I know.
You're right.
You're right.
I'll throw as a question.
Yeah.
It's probably
Okay.
could read it.
Yeah. Look.
That's gonna be a good question.
Yeah. That's when physical combat gets involved. Oh, short again.
Yeah. Well, that's a question.
LLP. I don't know that I'm willing to bet against it. It looks like. What's your number one reason?
Sure.
No, go ahead. I'm talking to somebody else. I'm talking to the stream. Sorry. You do whatever you want, bro. I still don't understand. If you have a price in mind, why don't you just put the order in?
So let's see what happens. If it shoots up, I just want to take the loss.
Okay. So inotropes, as far as I can see, do increase 6-minute walk. So maybe you could point me to a study where the inotropes don't do that, because
I don't understand partial fills.
no, you have a sell order for 1,000 shares and they only buy 100. You're partially filled. Okay, so you're basically saying the only part of your short thesis is there's something wrong with this oral administration. What exactly is wrong with it? No, Brian, these are just dollars. Market making P&L, which is different from my other P&L, unfortunately is negative today. Well, the phase 2 data is neither here nor there. What's wrong with the oral? I don't follow RKT. I barely know what that even is. No position Amazon. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Sorry. Do they make rockets? Matter of fact, let me just keep it a buck with you. I don't give a.
You're so kind to your chat.
I mean, I'm kind, but I'm honest. That's how people like it is. You can't coddle them. I love all of my fans. I do. Internships when? Never. You want me to offer you something? Let me tell you how the real world works. You got to offer something to me. I just want to learn. That's what guys say. Every loser says when they come to do a internship. What do I look like? University? I'm here to teach you? I'm Professor Shkreli? Nature of the beast. What do you mean circumstances? There's only one set of facts, right? Do you agree that inotropes extend 6-minute walk? You're dealing with an inotrope that has some evidence that extends 6-minute walk. Evidence, lack of evidence doesn't mean evidence of no effect. If there's specifically something wrong with your oral, tell me. I don't know what the PK problem is or whatever. I haven't done the work on that. Wow. How'd you do that?
At 4,000.
You're ahead of me.
Oh, what?
For my making versus your directional. Yes. I don't know, Martin. Honestly, I would log Micron and SanDisk. SanDisk is better, though. Thanks for the insight. That was brilliant. Anything interesting over there?
Hope so. No, we're not. I'm a dumbass. Someone what to do.
Yeah, you live.
I'm going to sell again. No, I'd be making money.
You gotta start studying more stocks.
Yeah.
Read the 10K of Intel, their annual report, listen to the conference call, read the sell side notes, talk to chat about it, all the stuff you need to do. And then you start to, even when I was your age, I really got a sixth sense for what was going on in the market. Also, maybe I hate CNBC, but if we want to put on CNBC in here, so you have a sense for what's going on in the rest of the country or the rest of the market, there's something Trump's doing or some economic data or whatever, all that stuff matters. And when you really start to get a sense of the market, it can be almost like it's going in slow motion. You can predict everything. It's doing pretty funny, Michael. EBS is dropping. Chickened out, shorting EBS. That would have been nice. Any news?
Should I see some? Do you need to be hands-on?
Nope, cool. Oh, Burry shorting something makes me bullish. Full upset I covered. He just bought 1,000 Intel. Anybody who's interested. That's your position limit, bro.
Too big?
I mean, 2,000 is your limit. So it's okay. But, sell when you're ready, Don't I'm not gonna make you sell, but you definitely can't double down. Plus you don't want to, you want to be consistent. If you're gonna go bigger in size, just do it gradually. And do it with more stocks.
10 cents is your range to buy back in.
Yeah, if you have a limit, so you want to go straight to the limit.
We'll respect the limit.
Yeah. I just mean the limit should be used when you need it. Or when you really think you're right. There you go. I'm always right.
I thought it would be like a stop loss, if it was 100, then it sells.
Actually, NBBO, smart router. We'll do something funny. 1 BIP spreads.
Always down 12%, you say now, during all the video. Might have caused
Salmonella. That's my friend Sal. Sal's the homie.
It's all starting to move weird,
How's
below 100, then 130. It's getting late now.
Yeah. I don't know, Bubba. I don't know. Great, Michael. I'm glad you liked the book. Hey, guys.
Hey.
Are you streaming?
Yeah. What do you want to do?
Can you mute for a second?
Yeah, 1 sec. I don't know what's going on with earnings today. I mute. Nope. Which is probably good because a lot of other work to do. It's funny because I used so much more capital than you to make the same amount of money. I traded $30 or $40 million today. You traded a lot too. You probably traded over $1 million.
Well, mostly.
Yeah, I can even add it up for you. Hold on.
It says bought and sold.
This is all yours, right?
It should say bought and sold, right?
Okay, you could just look at that, yeah. This man traded 47,000 shares of Intel today. Just 5 million. Around 5 mil. Man, it's a beast. Made 1/10 of a bip. Right? 5 mil. No, that's 10 bips. 10 bips. 10 bips was good. 10 bips a day keeps the doctor away.
So what's 10 bips?
A bip is 1/100th of a percent. A percent is 100th, so it's 100th of 100th.
Okay.
But think about this: if you had 5 million in an account, you could have levered that at least 5x. So making 10 bips unlevered is pretty good.